That is 100% fantastic cranberry sauce. There you go. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. It's Christmas, it's Thanksgiving, it's cranberry sauce with dried cranberries. Now, I have dried cranberries all the time. Fresh cranberries are hard to come by here. Dried cranberries you can buy in a box. They last all year. You make cranberry sauce whenever you want. Fantastic. Chicken, turkey, pork. Superb. There you go, dried cranberries. So let's crack on and make the cranberry sauce. It is so simple. Simple. So we want our cranberries in there. And we're going to go in with that little bit of pulp off there actually. I'm not going to waste that. That is fantastic. Now obviously don't put pips and things in, you know. In there with your orange juice. Now if you haven't got enough fluid, and there is not enough fluid in there, we're going to add a little bit of water. Add a little bit of water in there because we want to be boiling these. Now we're going to start them off and then we're going to put the sugar in. So we want to start these off for about 5 minutes. Start plumping them up in there. Don't forget they have to rehydrate. And then we're going to create the sauce. Now this is a stainless steel pan. This is a stainless steel spoon. And that's what we're using. If you use a non-stick, use a wooden spoon. That's up to you. So once you've got them to boiling, you can turn down the flame a little bit. And we can simmer these for about 5 minutes. They're going to plump up in there. The same as using fresh cranberries. Okay, when they've plumped up, time to add the sugar. And we're going to cook that low and slow for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's going to soften all these cranberries up, and we're going to make a thick-ish sauce. And that's what we're after. Now what you have to do is just keep giving it a little stir. Don't let it burn. Low and slow for about 10 minutes. Okay, our cranberries are breaking down quite nicely. Look, they've plumped up. We're getting this lovely sauce. Now what you want to do is mash the cranberries. Mash the cranberries a little bit to give it a little bit more of a saucy type consistency. Now it's optional, you don't have to, but you know, if you just want a whole pile of cranberries on your plate, just leave it alone. But to give it that little jammy type sauce consistency, give it a little push down in there. And that is just going to squash out some of those cranberries. Now it's not going to squash them all, obviously. You'd have to be doing this, cooking this for quite some time. And we're just making a quick cranberry sauce. So squash them down, leave it cooking. And you're going to have a nice cranberry sauce. So just leave it cooking a bit longer. Okay, that's good enough for me. There you go, we've not even had 15 minutes. And that is perfect. Okay, let's just remove from the heat. So there you go, that is our sauce as it stands. We need to elevate this to top level. Orange zest. And we want a little pinch of cinnamon in there. And about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Trust me, people don't put it in, they are missing out. We got the citrus zest, we've got a little bit of warmth from the cinnamon, and we've got that depth of flavour from the vanilla. Amazing. Stir it all in. And that is a fantastic cranberry sauce. There you go. Cranberry sauce made. Fantastic. What's it taste like? It's a bit hot, but bingo. Slightly sour from the cranberries, a little bit sweet with the sugar we put in there. We got that orange zest coming through. You've got the depth of the vanilla and a little bit of cinnamon. That is 100% fantastic cranberry sauce. There you go. So there you go, cranberry sauce made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy, it really is easy obviously, to make cranberry sauce. And if you do like what we're doing, it's the big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.